Hey y'all, sorry to break in, but we have a tornado warning issued now. This got issued. So let me show you where the area of rotation is. It's right here. So your circulation would be right over here. It's approaching Interstate 95. It's the first tornado warning I've covered in the year of 2024 on live stream. But this is still serious. If you are in Port Salno and Jensen Beach, take cover. Just take cover if you can. Well, just take cover. Just go ahead and take cover. Palm City 132, Stewart 136, Rio 138, Seawells Point, and then Ocean Breeze Park. New tornado areas to the south. Rotation just got even tighter. Oh my gosh. The rotation got a little stronger on the way to scan. Good. Alrighty, but the tornado warning is issued for Martin and St. Lucie County until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's see if there's a debris signature, and good news, there's not at the moment, but we have a rotating couplet. We have a couplet heading towards Palm City and Port Stewart. So if you're in those areas, you need to get to shelter. And actually, I'm gonna do some queries here and see what the winds are. So 51 outgoing and 3 mile per hour out. Oh, there's 51 mile per hour outgoing. Actually, let me redo this. Let me redo this again. 45 and then we got 5 miles per hour incoming. So, but this is not on the ground at the moment. But we do have a tornado warning because there's the storm heading towards Palm City, which is probably why. So Palm City, I want you to get to your safe spot. So if you are in the Palm City area, you get your shelter for a little bit. Reported for snow out of Maryland, but we're focusing on this tornado warning that's coming out. Florida. There's no debris signature, but there is rotation with it. And there's also special weather statements issued for other storms in Florida right now. But we're focusing on this tornado warning. That's something. New special marine warning. As this storm goes off shore here soon. But right now it's not. It is not. But it is not water just yet. It's still on land, which is why this is tornado warned at the very given moment. So, and it got even stronger again. The rotation is not even more well defined on the way to scan. If you are Palm, you need to get to your safe spot. Doesn't matter what part of Palm City you're in, you need to get to your safety place immediately. So we're seeing some pretty strong rotation on this one, which is why this is tornado warned. I knew this was probably going to happen at some point. We were probably going to get a tornado warning at some point today. And here we are. We have a tornado warning that's in Florida right now, including the Palm City area. So this goes until 2:45 Eastern time. For radar indicated tornado, it is not on the ground. This is radar indicated, so there is no tornado on the ground, but it does have rotation in this. Let me see if it shows up in the higher tilts, and it shows up on always 0.9, but all the other tilts don't show it. It's over Interstate 95 right now. Nobody should be on Interstate 95. Nobody. But if you're in Palm City, though, and Stewart area, go to your safe spot. As this heads into your general vicinity. City, Stewart, Rios, Swells Point, and Port Salerno, if you're anywhere in the warning, doesn't matter where you are. If you're anywhere in this warning, you need to get to your safe spot. If you're anywhere in this warning, you need to get to your safe spot. Let's check on the correlation coefficient again. Make sure we're not seeing anything out of the ordinary. I can't say if that's a debris signature. No, it's not a debris signature. That is not debris at all. That is not a debris signature, but that might be some sort of that might be cluster or something. That might be something else. That's something else. That's not debris. But right here, Interstate 95, Interstate 95 is getting hit by this right now. So if you're on Interstate 95, do not get on Interstate 95 if you're over there. There are people on Interstate 95 going for this, which is not a good idea. But, Port Salerno, Jensen Beach, Palm City, you need to get to your safe spot immediately. Just stay there until this passes. This is the second live stream about to do today for a tornado warning, and I have to go on for this. So, if you are in Palm City right now, I want you to get to your safe spot. We're gonna stay on until this warning expires. This warning expires. I'm gonna check radar scope and look at the special warning out for Everglades City. For the heading towards Everglades City. Just give me a second while I check this out. I'm looking at. Alright, I'm looking at the right one. I'm not seeing much rotation with it, but I am seeing a lot of lightning, some small hail, and heavy rainfall with that storm. So definitely monitor that one. And there's stuff going into Marco Island as well. And then Everglades City, you're gonna get this as well, but it's gonna take some time before it gets to you. Also, excuse me. Everglades City, this will be in the area about 1:55 p.m. Central, 2:55 Eastern. And Marco 1:20. So y'all have to. So Marco, you basically do not have any time to get indoors from this. But Everglades City, you have time. So if you're outside right now, get indoors and because there's fun. You're probably hearing thunder from this. So and you're probably gonna hear a lot more of it. So go ahead and get inside until this passes by your general area, and you're under a slight risk of severe weather today. With a 5% tornado risk. Let me double check the probs again. So yeah, 5% tornado risk. Everglades City, you're in the 2%. You're not in the 5%. Virus is in the 5% today. But hail risk. There's no hail risk with this. There is a 15% risk for wind, which is the main, which is also a slight risk of a deal. So the whole reason why it just went live so abruptly like that. Because we have a tornado warning active, and the rotation seems to have weakened just a little bit. The rotation seems to have weakened quite a bit. So, but there's still broad circulation, very broad, but it has weakened. In fact, I don't even know there's circulation anymore. This is probably it's probably not tornadic. It won't be tornadic here shortly, but it will go off water and have the possibility to produce a water spout. But I don't see a threat of a water spout at real that much. Pump City stays in place for another 5 to 10 minutes until this passes by your area. So just stay Pump City 5 to 10 minutes to stay in your safe place. Even though the water goes for 21 minutes, it will probably be good in the next 5 or 10 minutes after this passes by. A bounded region on a terminal. Uh, let me look. Let me look at that. I need to see that. I'm gonna see if there is actually a something there. I mean, I'm terminal is showing rotation as well, but it's a little hard to tell because there's non-detectable winds to show velocity like RF, like we can't really see, but the terminal is saying 65 mile per hour winds outgoing away from the radar. So that's certainly something to look at there. This one is going towards if it holds, it's going Lewiston, South Bay, and Belglade. MLB continue. Okay, update on the tornado warning. It continues. Radar indicated for Martin, St. Louis until 2:40. At 2:24, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Palm City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. So a tornado warning continues, remains radar indicated as expected. Because there is nothing on the ground. So obviously it's going to stay radar indicated, which is good news. But it's still tornado warning, so definitely. But there's the updated warning that just showed up on WS for free. Palm City, you're this. Port Sourdough, you can come out. You are no longer under this warning. But Jensen Beach, Palm City, Stewart, and Seawells Point stay in your safe spot for a little bit longer. This tornado warning goes until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time for Martin and St. Lucie County. For radar indicated tornado. So I would just take cover and just stay there for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, as this passes by. As for Belgrade, as well as for this storm, Belgrade, I want you to get indoors. You're getting heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and some lightning and some thunder, lightning and thunder. So, but you're not under any sort of severe weather warning. Okay, so let me just alliterate that. So you are not under any sort of severe weather threat. Any sort of severe weather threat. Um, let me show y'all something here. So here's the slight risk for today. 5% tornado risk, 50% for wind, less than 5% for hail. That's two. That's today's risk. It's today's severe weather risk. That's today's risk. That's today's risk. Let's day freeze up for you guys because That's a little more concern. I'm a little more. I'm concerned about about Monday here. I'm concerned about Monday. I will show you on Monday's risk as well. It's a slight risk for Houston, New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Mobile, Alabama, and Pasadena. 50% for probably both wind and hail. So 50% for probably both wind and hail. And the warning from the Storm Prediction Center says that damaging wind gusts and tornadoes are possible, but they're saying that the most significant severe weather potential, and they're saying there's the environment, it could contribute to an environment potentially supportive of strong tornadoes of both the screen supercells and the organizing line of cluster of storms prior to 12Z Tuesday. So, so yeah, that's just something to watch there. Yeah, that's something to watch there. Well, I'm still keeping an eye on everything. Keeping an eye on here near Everglades City. Here near Everglades City. Let me, okay. Still not seeing much rotation on it. Still not. So good news there. That tornado warning in St. Lucie and also St. Louis is kind of like a shower, but it's is kind of like a shower, but it's there's if there is no more rotation. The rotation's just gone. The rotation is dissipating. So I don't see the point in the tornado warning staying out right now. I think that it has weakened a lot. So I think we might be good to go. Actually, there was actually um there was a funnel or a tornado on it at like 1:34 p.m. looking west. All right, tornado warning canceled for Martin and St. Lucie. Tornado warning now been canceled. That is good news. So I will end the stream here now, but I will keep y'all updated if anything happens. But that is conclude this live stream of this tornado warning. Y'all have a good one.